And my recommendation would be to really break it up into different sections. So first off, you want to look at risk management. And under the umbrella of risk management, you want to look to see, do you have proper life insurance? And if you need life insurance, and what type of life insurance to have. You want to make sure that you have proper coverage on your auto policy. If you are a renter, you want to make sure that you have renter's insurance. If you're a homeowner, you want to make sure you have homeowner's insurance. So those would be all under the umbrella of risk management. Then the next section of your financial plan should be about the investments. Are your investments A, diversified? B, are they the best in class? Meaning, do you have the best investments for those categories that you're diversifying into? And then C, do you have the proper tax buckets? What I mean by that is, do you have enough money in tax-deferred accounts, in tax-free accounts, and also taxable accounts? The next section is to devise long-term goals in your financial plan. What do you see yourself trying to achieve in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and then identifying clear strategies and goals to help you reach those goals.